Alright guys, welcome to another RDB episode.
Why?
Just continue it.
Okay, hold on.
Hey man, stop!
Okay, wait, one.
Welcome to another RDB episode. On today's episode, we're gonna show you guys a crazy satin black Performante Urus, fully wide-bodied, looks insane. And we're also gonna show you that Porsche Targa, that classic car that we're prepping to do a full paint job. We took the roof off, the doors off, and we drove it on the street. All right guys, we are with the Porsche Targa, the old classic car that we are going to be doing a full paint job on. Right now, they are taking off the roof of the Targa. This is not something that's just meant to come off, but it is not welded on as well. So as you can see, we're heating up all the old glue, all that kind of stuff, and we're getting that roof off right now. We're gonna be redoing all this stuff anyways, and we are changing all the rubbers of this car. And there's rubbers all throughout the vehicle. There's a rubber that is under this roof. That's why we're taking it off, so we can replace that. It's gonna look a lot better when the paint job is new and the rubbers are all new. So we're gonna get that roof off right now.
We've done a lot of mechanical repairs on this already. This car is working beautiful. Hey, how nice is this thing?
That looks good. So we have this bright idea of taking out the Porsche Targa with pretty much nothing on it. We even took the roof off of it, as you guys can see. We did some mechanical stuff, still got a lot to do, but it's not really smoking anymore. It was smoking like crazy before, and it sounds really healthy. Yeah, we're gonna try to just take it around for a quick spin because there's no lights, tail lights, bumpers, doors, roof. It's all missing.
He just hopped out.
What? There's nobody in the...
Hop in.
I'm the heaviest one. He just stepped off the car.
What happened? Why the hell did you break? Haircut, man.
You think so?
Yep.
You know a good place? Arminianos or?
Hey, what happened?
I don't know.
Oh, shh.
Losing the down here?
Yep, yep, it's coming. How old are you? 140?
Something like that, yeah.
140.
Oh, there he goes. The man of the hour, Mr. Hank. What's up, man? How come I only see you like 10 minutes throughout the whole day?
I hide.
Good.
Yeah. Hide upstairs, sleep on the couch.
It's good.
I can even give you a full head of hair.
I'm going. Starting treatment.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Are you
2
really?
weeks, 2 weeks from now.
You know it could all fall out, right?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
It could?
Yeah.
The laser could either make it fall out or it'll help
It's
you a
either
little
gonna
bit.
go good or it's gonna go really bad.
Okay, so yeah, let's wait. Let's see what happens.
Here we are at the back of the shop. We are in front of this lovely Portofino Ferrari. This car is getting a full exhaust system. So it wants a loud, it wants bangs, pops, all that stuff. And you cannot do all of that without an ECU tune as well. We are able to do the ECU tune here without sending the car out, without sending the ECU out. Here's the ECU right now from the car. And as you can see, we have some wires plugged into it. This is how the system is able to read and write into it. We have our little trusty RDB tuner box right here and our computer. So we send out the flash file, the stock file, and it gets read reprogrammed by a professional, and then sent back to us, where we upload it and then put it back into the car, and then we test it, make sure it's all good and ready to go for the customer. So we offer all of this in-house. Right next to Diablo engine coming out, we're doing tuning on a brand new Ferrari Portofino. We're doing everything at RDB, and our paint booth is back there. So you're never gonna find anywhere else that has all of this diversity in car work. So hit us up. All right, we are inside the RDB paint booth now, and we are surrounded by an entire Range Rover body kit and miscellaneous parts. This Range Rover, brand new car, customer got it, did not have the black package, and it's not an SV. He wanted the SV front grille, which is what you see here, special ordered. This is the SV front grille. It has these straight lines as opposed to the little rectangles. A lot of his car had gray components to it, so as you see here, these are actually go on the doors. We have something on the front bumper. Other things have to be painted black. But the rest of it is a full body kit from 1016 Industries, which you guys saw us do about 5 or 6 Range Rovers so far. And this is another one. This one's gonna be black. It's gonna be an all black car, and it's gonna have silver 26-inch 50-spoke wheels. So it's gonna look incredible with those wheels. I'm very excited for that because it's gonna be the first Range Rover with that. So yeah, as you can see, a tremendous amount of parts. This booth fits a very, very large car easily, and you see it's pretty much full of parts. Door panel, door rocker moldings, exhaust tips, wing, diffuser, front lower lip, wide body flares, front bumper, accent pieces. There's a tremendous amount of pieces, and all of this has to be prepped for paint. You can't just get it and paint it. It was test fitted, prepped, sanded, primered, and now it's all going to be painted the body color black. So we're excited to finish up this Range Rover. Got Moses a Kerwin frost box. I don't know what that is, but it looks funny. So
It comes with a toy, I think.
wow, what's in there? Wow. Hey, what is the?
Hey,
That's the toy.
Open it.
you can
I think
collect.
it's nuggets.
Imagine it gets the golden one.
Oh, it's a little dessert.
This is right. McDonald's will always be successful.
Wait, there's a Pokemon card in
Hey.
there.
Hey, it looks.
It's perfect.
No,
It works.
this is thing, Sarkis.
All right, guys, we are live right now tuning this Urus Performante right here. This is a wide body car we just completed. And if you weren't aware, any Urus, when you do 24-inch wheels, which is 1 inch larger than stock, the car actually trips out and will eventually tell you there's a transmission error. The car still drives normal, all that stuff, but the car, since the wheel is a bigger diameter, it trips out and it throws that little code. It does it on all the new ones too, as the old ones. And right now we are actually tuning out that transmission code, so you could drive on 24s and never have that transmission error. I did it on my car a year ago, and transmission error never came back on. So you know it works, and it works on the Performantes as well because we did it on the other one. So this one's getting just the transmission tune. We have 2 other Performante wide bodies that are also going to get the transmission wheel fix tune, we call it, and then they're going to get power upgrades as well. So this one, no power. You don't have to do power when you want to just do the wheel fix. You could just do that. But this interior is gorgeous, by the way. We're sitting in it all suede. Really, really nice with the red. But yeah, we do that all in-house. This is done by the OBD controller, so we don't have to take your ECU out. We don't have to do that kind of stuff. We could get it done fast. You don't have to wait long. It could all happen in an hour within you guys bringing the car. So hit us up also for your performance and other tune needs. All right, guys, we are now sitting and driving in the Urus Performante. This is one of 3 wide body projects that we're completing, and we've already done 3 of them, by the way, so this will be number 4, 5, and 6. We'll just call it number 4. This is a beautiful spec. It has 500 miles. Customer brought it over to wrap the car, and he said, why not? Let's wide body it and go all out. So this thing has been wide bodied, full 1016 kit, pretty much all the options for the Performante. It has been also satin PPF'd, paint protection film. So this car used to be shiny black, but we did a paint protection film that has now made it satin black. Looks incredible. Best way to make your black car satin black, honestly, and protect it. We did Velos wheels on this one, 24-inch. Just like the first ever set of wheels we did on the wide body Urus that made it very popular. It goes really well with the car. And we were able to get the wheel even more concave now. So looks incredible. Like I said, 24s. This is the one we also did a transmission little fix, because the 24s give you the air light eventually. So this has been fixed, so there's no transmission error, nothing like that. We are also waiting for the new Capristo exhaust for this car. Brand new one. Nobody's really done it before, so we ordered that. That's coming any day now. We're gonna install that, and that's it. This beautiful Performante Urus will go back to its owner, and it looks incredible. The Performantes look cool, but the wide bodies, you guys already know, is a different ball game. So anybody with the Urus, you gotta come to RDB. Wild stunts in
Oh
Russia.
my
That's
God.
Oh, they already the
oh yeah, this guy.
This doesn't look good already.
Check it out. They're doing a head-to-head.
Oh my.
Nice.
What the fuck is wrong
so
with people?
something Hank would do in his where-
This is something, yeah. I think you would do something like this.
Yeah. I've done stuff like this.
Really?
Yeah.
These guys do crazy shit, man. What the hell
What is
happened
that
to
a-
this guy's car?
Why is there a
That's from a these guys have a crazy channel. That's from a previous video.
Yeah, where they roll over it.
Yeah.
What is? I don't know. I guess I don't understand.
Content, man.
Oh, this guy. Watch.
Yeah, it's this guy that jumps over crazy things.
Yeah.
Oh, shit!
dude! Oh,
Yeah.
what? Oh, wait, no, no, that.
It's nuts, man. Yeah. He's still alive.
Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna ask. Is he? Oh,
It's insane.
I think this guy
What?
wants to die.
Don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.